Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Today I'm going to show you a new brokerage listing, a 2022 Aquila 32 Sport. Before we get into the boat, just a little bit of background and history on the boat. We delivered it new about a year ago. The boat is kept local in this area, up on a boat lift, so it's out of the water, no bottom paint. But we also had a canopy over the lift, so it's been completely protected from the Florida elements, the rain, the sun. So you'll see as we go through this boat, it is in beautiful cosmetic condition. We have very low hours on the upgraded Mercury 300 V8s, plus extended warranties. We just did the annual servicing a couple months ago, so all the service is up to date. Lots of extended protection on the boat. So we have the Brunswick package, which will protect the engines, plus major components of the boat. So beautiful opportunity to take advantage of. Let's walk around here on the back, show you a couple of the features, and then we'll hop on board. So starting here on the stern of the boat, first thing I'd like to point out is the beautiful dive platform to get in and out of the water. You'll see you have a massive dive ladder. So for those that don't know much about Aquila, they build boats from 28 feet all the way up to 70. They use this same ladder on their 70-foot yacht. So speaks to the volume and how easy it is to get on board this boat. You'll be guided by two handrails off to port and starboard side as you approach the cockpit of the boat. As I mentioned, powered twin 300 Mercury engines pushes this boat along great. As we move into the cockpit of the boat, you'll see you have a couple safety gates, one here in the center and then two off to port and starboard. So if you want to enclose everything, if you have dogs in the boat or young kids, it's a very safe boat for cruising with family. First thing that stands out to me about this boat is the sheer amount of space. Having such a large beam, we have a ton of cockpit seating. You'll see you can fit a couple people here. We have aft seating off to the port, all protected by a sure shade that's going to extend out and give you coverage from the sun. We do have a beautiful two-part table which will fold back and forth. So earlier I mentioned to you guys the aftermarket equipment. So this is a aftermarket install done once it arrived to our dealership. We have C-deck matting, very comfortable to walk on, provides a lot of traction so you don't slip when the deck is wet. We have port and starboard side seats with bolsters, so creates a nice comfortable position to sit in. Then we do have reversible backrests, so expands your seating and entertainment here in the back of the boat. As we walk up to our helm, beautifully appointed, we have a Marine multi-function display. It's going to do all of your chart plotting. We do have a radar up on top, plus a spotlight, Mercury vessel view for all of your engine data, Fusion Apollo head unit for audio, and then, as everyone knows, the very common Mercury joystick with your autopilot, skyhook, and all the beautiful features built in. You'll see we have a massive hardtop, so back to comfort for boating here in Florida. Nice thing about this hardtop, it goes from port to starboard side, so it does provide a whole lot of protection from the elements. We do have a massive head compartment off here to starboard side, and then a port side cabin with generator and air conditioning. We have a beautiful grill, never been used. Nice sink. We do have designated storage for the lid. Refrigerator down below. So well-appointed station to accomplish all your entertainment. As we walk up to the front, the entertainment space continues. So we do have a windlass anchor, and then beautiful spacious bow seating, so you can fit two here, one over on this side, and then we do have a center filler cushion that is stored down below. I'll show you a little bit of how much storage this boat has. You can see that's where bow cushion filler is stored, plus our bow ladder down below that. So beautiful, lightly used boat. Would love to show you this boat in person or tell you a little bit more about it. Please feel free to give me a call at MarineMax Stuart, 561-635-6811. Thank you.